Alright guys, we have a 2008 Kia Optima. I just want to show you guys how to change this bulb. You will have access to both of these bulbs when I show you how to change this bulb. This is a reverse bulb. One side over there works, one doesn't. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside the car. I'm going to put this car into reverse. I'm not going to start the engine, alright? So I'm going to turn the key to accessory, pull the handbrake, and put the key into accessory and put the car into reverse. Alright guys, there you can see that light works right there, but this one does not, alright? So we're going to change this bulb. Alright guys, to change this bulb, we're going to open this trunk up and you're going to go into this. What we're going to do is we're going to remove these little screws, the clips, and only on this side, alright? So, and then we could just pull this over a little bit and have access to the bulbs. So let me get a fill-up head. So what we're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm gonna simply just remove these clips. Alright, there's like 5-6 of them. I'm gonna just take them all out. The key to removing these is you just gently turn it, don't push it, because if you push it, this is gonna go in. Alright, alright, so I'm at the last one. I'm not gonna take any more further, so only take out this. If you do the opposite side, only do half of it. Let me just take this one off, just in case it bothers me. Alright. Alright guys, this should allow me to get back down here. Alright. Right in here. You're gonna have access to the bulbs right in here. You see this right here? This is the two of the bulbs. Oh, this is one of the bulbs, and this is one over here for the brake bulb, I believe. So this is the one we're working on, right? This is a reverse bulb. Alright, the wiring is a little tight. They don't give you a lot of room with the wiring, but let's see if we can manage to get that bulb out of there. Alright, here's the bulb. Let me get another bulb and we'll put that in, guys. It looked like somebody was in here working before me. Let me get a bulb and we're gonna put this bulb in. Alright guys, there's the bulb. I have a new bulb. The number on this bulb is 912. That's the number on that bulb. So you simply take this bulb and you stick it in there, and that's it. And then you're gonna manage to get this connector and the bulb in there. And this is a twist on, alright? So all you do is you twist this on. Make sure you put this back if you removed it like I did. Alright, that's it, guys. Now at this point you can test it, but I know it's gonna work, so we don't need to test it. Alright, after this, you take your clips and you get all the clips in there and you close them up. And this one I took out from right here. This little piece goes on top, and you don't need to twist them all no longer. You could just push them in. This should go right in. It is very important to check all of your bulbs in the rear, because you know, if there's a cop back of you, it could be simply driving and you'll end up getting a ticket. So replace this bulb. It's like 30 bucks with the labor and everything. Some of you might think that's too much, but this is what we do for a living, so we do have to charge. Alright guys, so that's it, we're done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. If you have any questions, you can message me in the comments, and see you on the next one. Bye bye. Alright guys, there you have it. Both the bulbs are working now, and just want to let you know, if you have a problem with this bulb and this bulb is not working, and if you go underneath in the trunk inside, you can't access that bulb. All right, so let me show you how to do that bulb. I'm not gonna go do it, but I'm gonna just explain to you. Inside, underneath this trunk, right down here, in here, you're gonna see two little holes, and you're gonna see two Phillips head screws coming from the bottom up. All right, and once you have those two out, you are able to pull this little housing back that from the inside here. You could pull this housing off. You could push the little of the area of this whatever you want to call it, carpet or whatever. Push it down, and this is able. You're able to take this out, and you're able to change that bulb. All right, guys. So that's the only way to do it. All right, there's no other way. Don't start removing everything. You don't need to remove everything. Two screws in the bottom, and this thing backs out. You just need to work it and manage it.